Now, since you're here, watch and hear the video to understand what is deforestation and what are the systems behind. In addition, this video provide a policy on how to combat the deforestation.
Ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to all of you. I am Julian Bueno Ramirez, and today I want to talk to you about the problems that often goes unnoticed beneath our feet, the so-called deforestation. We knew that it's always make headlines and its impact is felt in every part of our lives, from the different climate that we face today. So what exactly is deforestation? Simply put, it is a large-scale clearing of forests, usually without replacing the trees and leading to permanent loss of forest cover. However, it mainly happens because forests are cleared for agriculture, mining, building, and also urban modernization, plus the practices like kaingin. It also included here the practices or the system like illegal logging, mining operations, weak forest law enforcement, and also the land conversion. As of 2022, the country, which is the Philippines, is approximately 7.22 million hectares or around 24.7% of the forest cover in the country is losing and estimated. But here's the hope parts. Deforestation is preventable and we all have a role in stopping it. So today, I want to propose a one powerful policy to address this problem or issue, the Sustainable Forest Management Policy. Under this policy, it is to protect and conserve the forest resources, promote sustainable forests, and address the issue. This policy also provide a solution like education awareness and strengthen the law. This to increase the forest covers and biodiversity and also the land and soil conservation. In conclusion, I urge you to recognize that forest is not just production and protection. It is the foundation of life. By encouraging responsible and sustainable use, we can protect these precious resources of generations to come. Thank you.